second problem in exercise 2.4. Z equal to x plus iy. Find the following in rectangular form. That is a plus ib form. This real part of 1 by z, real 1 by z. Real iz bar, imaginary of this quantity. Now first problem. First we write 1 by z. 1 by z. Z is x plus iy. 1 by z. Z equal to 1 by x plus iy. So it is division of complex number. That is, this can be written as 1 by x plus y multiply this complex number by the conjugate of this denominator. Conjugate of denominator is x minus iy. X plus iy is a complex number. Its conjugate is minus iy. X minus iy divided by x minus iy is equal to x minus iy divided by this is a, this is b. A plus b, a minus b. So this is a, b, a plus b, a minus b. X is a, b is iy. So a square minus b square, iy whole square. It is equal to x minus iy divided by a square minus b square formula. I square is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1. Therefore x square plus y square. X square plus y square. Therefore 1 by z is x by x square plus y square minus iy by x square plus y square. This is common denominator. Therefore this can be written as x by denominator, y by denominator. So real 1 by z. So real 1 by z equal to real of this x square plus y square. X square plus y square minus iy by x square plus y square. So the real part of this is complex number. This is real part, this is imaginary part. You want to find only real. So the real is x by x square plus y square. This answer. So first find real 1 by z. 1 by z is this. Take the conjugate of x plus iy, multiply and divide by the conjugate. So we get a plus b, a minus b formula, a square minus b square, x minus iy by x square. Here this is I square is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, so plus y square. So common denominator, x by y by, this is 1 by z. So real 1 by z equal to real, take real on both sides. Real. So real part of this is x by x square plus y square. Okay. Next is second sum. Real I z bar. Z bar is conjugate of z. So z is x plus iy. It is given. So z bar is conjugate. X plus iy conjugate is x minus iy. So we need I z bar. Real part of I z bar. So the z bar we know. So pre-multiply on both sides by I. So I z bar equal to I into x minus iy. Multiply. I into x is ix. Multiply. I into I square minus 1. Minus into minus plus y. So now we want to find real part of I z bar. So I z bar is equal to y plus ix. So we need to find I z bar equal to real y plus ix. I z bar equal to this, therefore real part of I z bar is real part of y plus ix. So this means real part of y plus ix complex number. The real part of this complex number is only y. Therefore, the answer is real I z bar is y. Next, imaginary part of this complex number. Z is x plus iy, z bar is x minus iy. You substitute. So 3z plus 4z bar minus 4i is equal to 3 into, instead of z we substitute x plus iy. X plus iy plus 4 into z bar means x plus iy conjugate. X minus iy minus 4i. So multiply 3x plus 3iy plus 4x minus 4iy minus 4i. Just multiply 4x minus 4iy minus. So you find first you write real terms, collect the real terms. 4x plus 3x is 7x. There is no other real term. Then you write imaginary term. Take I common outside. We have 3y minus 4y minus 4. 3x plus 4x is 7x. Take I common outside from this 3. So we have 3i into 3y minus 4y minus 4. So 7x plus I into minus y minus 4. 3y minus y is minus y, this minus 4. So we want to find imaginary part of. So imaginary part of 3z plus 4z bar minus 4i is equal to imaginary part of this complex number 7x plus I into minus y minus 4. It's a complex number. Here the imaginary part is this. So this is equal to minus y minus 4. But here you don't write imaginary here also. In an imaginary part of this complex is minus y minus 4. Okay. Next step. Properties of complex conjugate. So in a Z is complex number, Z bar is conjugate. So what are the property for that Z bar? So find the sum Z1 plus Z2. The conjugate of Z1 plus Z2, conjugate Z1 plus Z2 whole bar. Z1 plus Z2 conjugate is Z1 bar, Z2 bar. Find separately Z1 bar, Z2 bar. Similarly for subtraction, Z1 minus Z2 whole bar. So Z1 Z minus subtract, find the conjugate, that is equal to Z1 bar minus Z2 bar. Producted. Z1 Z2 whole bar equal to Z1 bar Z2 bar. Separate conjugate. For Z1 you find conjugate, for Z2 you find conjugate, multiply. That is equal to this. Similarly for division, Z1 by Z2 whole bar. Division of complex number Z1 by Z2 divided complex number. If you want to find its conjugate, it is equal to find Z1 bar divided by Z2 bar. Z bar equal to Z. Take a complex number, find conjugate. Again you take conjugate, we get Z. Conjugate of conjugate. Z bar, bar. We have 2 bar equal to the same Z. Then real Z, Z and Z bar are Z is complex number and is conjugate. You find the sum Z plus Z bar divided by 2. We get real part of Z. Imaginary part is Z plus Z bar by 2y. It's a formula. Then when Z is a complex number, Z power n whole bar. Say Z square, Z cube, Z power 4, etc. If you want to find the conjugate, that is equal to find the conjugate of Z bar, that whole power n. N should be an integer, it should not be an any fraction. That Z is a real number if and only if Z equal to Z bar. Z equal to Z bar, its conjugate. Complex number, its conjugate are one and the same, then Z is a real number. Complex number, negative of its conjugate is only when Z is a complex quantity. Right? Next, based on this property, we are going to solve some problems. Next, Z1, Z2 is given. Find the inverse of Z1, Z2. First problem is Z1, Z2 power minus 1 we want to find. Z1 inverse of Z1. Inverse of Z1, Z2. Z1, Z2 power minus 1 is solved. So for this we first find what is Z1, Z2. Z1 into Z2 equal to 2 minus I into minus 4 plus 3I. 2 minus 4 minus 8. 2 plus 3I, 6I, minus into minus plus 4I, I square minus 1 plus 3. So minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5 plus 10I. Z1, Z2, first we find Z1, Z2. Z1 is 2 minus I. Z2 is minus 4 plus 3I, multiply 2 into minus 4 minus 8, 2 into 3I 6I, minus into minus plus 4I, I square minus 1 plus 3 8, minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5, 10I. This is Z1, Z2. So Z1, Z2 inverse is equal to 1 by the reverse of this, minus inverse of 10 plus I. Minus 5 plus 10I. So 1 by minus 5 plus 10I multiply its conjugate minus 5 minus 10I divided by minus 5 minus 10I. Find the conjugate of the denominator, multiply both numerator and denominator by its conjugate. So this is equal to minus 5 minus 10I. A plus B, A minus B form. A is minus 5 whole square. Minus 5 whole square. Plus, minus A square minus B square. 10I whole square. So minus 5 minus 10I divided by 5 square 25. I square minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 100 plus 100. So this is equal to minus 5 minus 10I divided by 125. Take minus common outside. 1 plus 2I divided by, divide this is equal to minus 5 by 125 minus 10I by 125. Divide this. Minus 5 by 25 minus 2I by 25. Take minus 1 by 25 common outside into 5 plus 2I. 5 by this 1 by 1 5, this is 25. 2 5s are 10, 25. So minus 1 by 25, this is 1 plus 2. Right? By A square minus B square, 25 plus 100, minus 5 minus 10I by 125. Minus 5 by 125 is 1 by 25. By cancelling this by 5. 25 5s are 125, 1 5. 2 5s are 10, 25. So take minus 1 by 25 common outside. So 1 plus 2I. This is Z1, Z2 whole power minus 1. Next we want to find inverse of Z1 by Z2. That is inverse of z1 by z2 whole power minus 1 what. So first we find what is z1 by z2. z1 by z2. z1 is 2 minus I. z2 is minus 4 plus 3i. z1 by z2. z1 by z2. So this can be written as 2 minus I divided by minus 4 plus 3i. The division of complex number. Numerator one complex number, denominator one complex number. Find the conjugate of the denominator. Minus 4 minus 3i. Multiply both numerator and denominator by its conjugate. Minus 4 minus 3i. Multiply 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 2 into minus 3i minus 6i. Minus 4 into minus I plus 4i. Minus into minus plus I square minus 1, therefore minus 3. This minus into minus into minus plus I into I square minus 1, therefore minus 3 finally we get divided by this is a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square 3a whole square. So this is equal to real and real. Minus 8 minus 3 minus 11 minus 6a imaginary, add imaginary. Minus 6a plus 4a is minus 2i divided by minus 4 square 16. I square minus 1 minus into minus plus 3 square is 9 plus 9. So minus 11 minus 2i divided by 25. 16 plus 9 is 25. Or we can write it as minus 1 by 25 into 11 plus 2. Take minus common outside, 1 by 25 outside, remaining thing is 11 plus 2i. So, now z1 by z2 is this. z1 divided by z2. Now we want to find z1 divided by z2 whole power minus 1 inverse. That means the reverse this. That is 1 by 25 into 11 plus 2i whole power minus 1. Just reverse this. So we get 25 into reverse this. Denominator becomes numerator. This 11 plus 2i 1 by 11 plus 2i. The inverse, just like x power minus 1 is 1 by x. So this inverse of this is 25 into 1 by 11 plus 2i. 11 by 1, so 1 by 11 plus 2i. So you find the conjugate, simplify this, divide 11 minus 2i divided by 11 minus 2i. Multiply and divide this complex number by this. So we get 25 into 11 minus 2i divided by a plus b, a minus b. A square, 11 square minus b square, 2i whole square. This is 25 into 11 minus 2i divided by 11 square is 121. I square is minus 1, minus into minus plus 2 square is 4. This is 125 is equal to 25 into 11 minus 2i divided by 125. 121 plus 4, 25. Answer this. We get 1 by 5. So the answer is 1 by 5 into 11 minus 2i. This is minus 125. Z1 is this. This is minus 1 by 25. Sorry, this is minus 1 by 25. 11 plus 2i whole power minus 1. Therefore, it is minus, this is minus, this is minus. So the answer is minus 1 by 5 into 11 minus 2i.